Activity 11.
Listen to the following dialogue.
Let's laugh.
There is Mr. Wykins. He always asks questions to everyone. All are sad. They are bored. Whenever Mr. Wykins comes, they run away from there. Mr. Wykins asks many questions to everyone. One day, Mr. Wykins meets Mr. Because. Let's see what happens. Mr. Wykins says, "Why are you here?" Mr. Because says, "Because I like this garden." Mr. Wykins say, "Why do you like it?" Mr. Because says, "Because I like colorful flowers." Mr. Wykins says, "Why the flowers are so colorful?" Mr. Because says, "Because of rain, sunlight, soil, and water." Mr. Wykins says, "Why don't I know this?" Mr. Because says, "Because of your questions." Mr. Wykins say, "Why do I ask questions?" Mr. Because says, "Because you don't know the answer." Mr. Wykins says, "No, I know. Oops, I forget to ask question. Why?" Mr. Because says, "Because I can give every answer to your questions." Number 2. Ant 1 says, "Oh, you are in hurry. Where are you going?" Ant 2 says, "I'm going to the hospital." Ant 1 says, "Why?" Ant 2 says, "An elephant met with an accident. I am going to give him my blood." Number 3. Jacob says, "I have lost my dog." Walter says, "Why don't you give an advertisement in a newspaper?" Jacob says, "Don't be silly. It cannot read."